Hi folks, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. This week, we're finally able to cast magic using the magic rods. So let's take a look at what I've done to make that possible. The first thing I did was create a release magic effect for the magic rod. This plays whenever you're actually casting the magic, as opposed to charging it up. This functions in a similar way to the charging visual effect that I created last week, in that I can play it for a predetermined amount of time, which can be different for each magic rod. And while you're actually casting magic, it will continue to play. I then went and did a bit of coding in the background that would trigger some magic spells to be cast when you're actually using the rod. So once you're fully charged up and you're ready to attack, it will actually launch whatever magic spell is tied to that rod. So I thought, for a first spell, let's go with something everyone's familiar with, which is a fireball spell. Putting together all the elements that I've been working on over the last few weeks, you can see the full flow of using the magic rod here, from charging up to actually casting the spell itself. You can see the visual effect on the rod there when I'm casting the magic, and you see that that fireball projectile is being pushed out as well. What I did to the basic spell that I created last week, I also put in light, so it looks like it's giving off light, and I also put some physics onto the ball itself so that it actually bounces whenever it's hitting off of any surface. So it's a bit like the fireballs that you see in Mario or other games that have this kind of fireball in it. Overall, I'm really happy with how this magic system has turned out. There's a few little tweaks I need to make here and there just to sort of finalize the look of it for now, but I'm just really happy with how this has turned out. What do you think about this week's video? I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.